Hi guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to make a food chain link. Okay, you are going to need your Triorama habitat to help you with this. So let's start. The materials that you're going to need is a white sheet of paper, scissors, a glue stick or tape, and you're going to need your coloring materials, either crayons or markers. You're going to take your white sheet of paper and we're going to cut these into 5 strips. What I'm going to do is, so I have enough room to color, I'm just going to fold these in half and fold it in half again. So I'm going to end up with 4 rectangles on this one sheet of paper. And then, since I have 4 rectangles, I'm going to fold another sheet of paper in half as well. So I'm going to end up with 5 pieces, because that's what I need. So I'm going to get my scissors and I'm going to cut my pieces out down the crease. Now that I have my 5 strips cut out, I am going to focus on my habitat that I created for the Triorama. I did it on the tiger and the rainforest habitat. So I'm going to focus on the animals there. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, I know that since it's on land, I'm going to start off with the sun. So I'm going to color the sun on here. So now that I'm done coloring my sun on my strip right here, I'm going to go to the next animal. I'm going to actually start with the animal that I did for my habitat. I'm going to start off with the tiger. So I'm going to draw a tiger on my next blank strip right here. So now I'm done drawing out my tiger. And I know my tiger is a predator. He's top of the food chain. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do is draw the consumer, the animal or plants that he eats. Okay. Looking at my habitat here, I know that he eats the boar. So that's the animal that I'm going to do next. Okay. So once I do the boar, that's going to be on my 3rd strip. I know that the boar eats crickets. Okay. And then the crickets eats the grass. Okay. And the grass is my 5th strip that I am drawing. Okay. And I know the grass is produced by the sun. Okay. So the grass is the producer. The cricket is the consumer, which means it eats the grass. And then the boar eats the cricket. And then the tiger eats the boar. Okay. Once you're done with that, we'll continue with the next part. So now that you're done with all your pieces, we're going to link them together. We're going to make a chain. A chain is like the chain of your necklace. They're all stuck together. But I'm going to put these in order from producer to consumer to predator. Okay. I'm going to start off with the sun. Just going to make a circle like this, cylinder here, and I'm going to either use the glue stick or the tape. I'm going to stick it together like this. The next thing from the sun is going to be the grass, because the sun helps the grass grow. And the grass is my producer. So if you think of produce like vegetables in the grocery store, just think of vegetables and fruits, things that grow. Okay. And I know that the cricket consumes the grass. It feeds off of it for energy, for food. So I'm going to put it right through this next one here. It's going to go right across. And I'm going to tape that. Then the next one, I know that tigers, do they eat crickets? No, they don't, right? They are carnivores and they eat meat. So the tiger won't be the next one. It'll be the boar. Okay? So I'm going to put it right through the link here. I'm going to put tape on it. And then my very last one, my 5th one, is my tiger. I'm going to put it right through here. Okay. Put tape right here. And that is my food chain link of my rainforest habitat.